Good morning students. Today we are going to start the next topic of our chapter, the triangle and its property. And the next topic is exterior angle property. Okay. Today we will be mainly discussing about exterior angle property. Now before starting this property, let us discuss that what does this property actually means. I will explain this to you with the help of one diagram. Okay, supposingly this is my triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, these are the interior angles. Similarly, for each exterior angle, we can have some exterior angle. Like अगर मैं इसको extend कर दूँ, this is the exterior angle. If I will extend this exterior angle, I can extend this also. This is also exterior angle. Okay, so I have drawn the three exterior angles of triangle ABC. Okay, now what does this property says? Supposingly this is angle 1 and this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. The property says that exterior angle of any triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. अगर आप जैसे इस एक्सटीरियर एंगल की बात करें तो इसके अपोजिट में, इस एंगल के अपोजिट में ये दोनों इंटीरियर अपोजिट है, इंटीरियर भी है और ये दोनों इसके अपोजिट में भी आ रहे हैं. It says that angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. The property is very simple कि जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता है किसी भी ट्राइंगल का, वो उसके अंदर के जो अपोजिट में है, अंदर में अपोजिट में जो दो इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं उनके सम के बराबर होता है. इन अ स्टेटमेंट वी कैन से दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. तो ये बहुत सिंपल सी प्रॉपर्टी है जो ये बताता है आपको. नाउ वी कैन प्रूव दिस प्रॉपर्टी बाय डूइंग सम एक्टिविटी. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द एक्टिविटी विच यू विल डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. ये एक्टिविटी आप लोग खुद करेंगे. नाउ लिसन व्हाट इज द एक्टिविटी. आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कट टू ट्राइंगल्स ऑफ सेम साइज. ठीक है, एक ही साइज के आपको दो ट्राइंगल कट करने हैं. नेम दिस angles as 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, here also you will name this as 1, 2 or 3. Okay. Now, एक ट्राइंगल को तो आप एज इट इज रहने देंगे. सपोजिंगली इस ट्राइंगल को मैंने एज इट इज रहने दिया. इस ट्राइंगल के एंगल 1 को आप ऐसे कट कर लोगे और ऐसे ही एंगल 2 को भी कट कर लोगे. दो एंगल आपको कट करने हैं इसके, 1 और 2. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to extend this baseline. जहां आपने 1, 2 बनाया है, उस जो अटैच्ड बेस लाइन है उसको आप पेंसिल से या पेन से एक्सटेंड कर दीजिए. नाउ द एंगल्स विच यू हैव कट 1 and 2, उसको आप यहां पे पेस्ट करने की कोशिश करिए. ओके, एंगल 1 and 2 when you will paste it. So what you have found कि ये जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल बना है आपका, जो आपका बाहर का एक्सटीरियर एंगल बना है, वो इन दोनों को प्लस करके बना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो मैंने बनाया वो मैंने उसके इंटीरियर के दो अपोजिट एंगल को मिलाकर बनाया है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन टू ट्राइंगल्स ऑफ सेम साइज इन विच वन अदर ट्राइंगल वी विल कट, two angles we will cut out of this and I will paste it in the another one. Okay, so I hope you can perform this activity. It's simple paper cutting pasting activity which you can easily do by using some colored paper. तो ये activity आप लोग करके देखेंगे and I hope you all have understood this property that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Now you will understand this property in a more better way when we will do some of its questions. So let's start some questions of 6.2. In 6.2 the first question is that find the value of unknown exterior angle in each of the following diagram. ठीक है, सब में एक डायग्राम बना हुआ है जिसमें हमें एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू निकालनी है. द फर्स्ट डायग्राम इज लाइक दिस 50 डिग्री 70 डिग्री. ओके, 50 degree and 70 degree, and here it is given as x. First part is this, and we have to find the value of x. Now in all the questions, supposedly in exam you will not have so many parts, you will have only one part or two part. ठीक है, तो उसमें तो आप सारे पार्ट्स में रीजन लाइक एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी इज रीजन. ठीक है, सो इफ सो मेनी पार्ट्स आर देयर देन वी कैन राइट द रीजन एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, or at the top like this whole question 1 is based on exterior angle property, complete all the parts. So I will write the property at the top, exterior angle property. This I will mention at the top of the question, that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angle. Okay, so now the property is clear to you all. This property I will mention at the top, which is common for all the parts. Okay, now I will find the value of x. Therefore we will write x is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. X is equal to 120 degree. At bracket you will only write exterior angle property. And what is the property that I have mentioned at the top. Similarly, moving to second part. In second part the diagram is like this. This is angle x which we have to find, and this is 65 degree and this is 45 degree. Okay, so again x is the exterior angle and these are the opposite interior angles. So x is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree. Reason exterior angle property, and so x is equal to 110 degree. So in this way we can find out the answer. Similarly, moving to our third part, in all the diagrams you will draw with pencil. This kind of diagram is made. This is x, this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. It's very easy, you can orally say the answer that x exterior angle है, उसके interior में ये दोनों opposite हैं, 30 plus 40 degree, so x is equal to 70 degree. Reason exterior angle property. Okay, similarly in fourth part, now I will write you the answers, क्योंकि आपको सारे पार्ट सेम है, सब में x निकालना है, and in all the parts x are exterior angle. तो सब में आपको डायग्राम बनाएंगे और x is equal to 60 डिग्री प्लस 60 डिग्री. रीजन लिखेंगे आप लोग, then you will write x is equal to 120 degree. Diagrams you have to make. Similarly in fifth part, x is equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree. Reason we will mention, then x is equal to 100 degree. Now in sixth part, similarly x is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. In bracket reason, so x is equal to 90 degree. So in this way you can draw all the diagrams with pencil and write all the solutions with blue pen. Now similar is the question number 2. The only difference I will show you. Okay, now in second question again, as you can see the diagram, we have to find the value of unknown angles, interior angle. Now in this case that x is the interior angle. Okay, but you can see that as per the given information there are two interior angles and one exterior angle, and the interior angle are just opposite to the exterior angle. Okay, so again we have to use the exterior angle property. The only difference from first and second is that in first exterior angle was x and now the x is interior angle, and exterior angle is already given to us. So it will be same, that x plus 50 degree. दो इंटीरियर को प्लस करके exterior will come Reason we will write same exterior angle property. Now 115 minus 50 degree. So x is equal to, only one step is increasing in this. X is equal to 65 degree. Okay, similarly we will do the second part. In second part also, when you will look at the diagram is made like this. This is given 70 degree. This is x and this is 100 degree. Okay, so 100 is the exterior angle and its interior opposite angle are 70 and x. So x plus 70 degree is equal to 100 degree. Reason, exterior angle property. So x is equal to 100 minus 70 degree. So x is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now similarly, if I will do the third part, in third part you will notice that only one angle is visible to you. And here one symbol is made like this. And we know that this means 90 degree. That only you have to identify. And this exterior angle is 125 degree. Again, exterior angle is given and interior opposite angles are given. So x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. In this question the 90 was not mentioned to you, but you have to identify by this symbol कि इस symbol का मतलब कितना होता है 90 degree. So x is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. X is equal to, we will have 35 degree. Okay. Again the reason will be same, exterior angle property. आपको पूरा नाम लिखना है. I am writing in short. Now fourth part, answers only I will write. Diagrams you will make by yourself. X plus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Reason, then x is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Similarly, in fifth part, x plus 30 degree is equal to 80 degree. Reason we will mention. Then x is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now similarly for sixth part, x plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. Reason we will mention. Then x is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree, which implies x is equal to 40 degree. So in all case you have to draw the diagrams, then you will show the solution. All paths are exactly same. Very simple exercise is this. So I hope that you all have understood what is exterior angle property and how we can use it in triangle to find some unknown value of angles like x, y or z. So the next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, students.